That's really high for the regular box. Go Ips. Ips. Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. So if you are here to see what is in the July Boxycharm basic box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Alright, I am super excited. I haven't watched any, but I've noticed some people posting their July unboxings. Boxycharm, when you gonna get me my box a little earlier in the month? You know what I'm saying? Let's dig into this box and see what we have. Alright, for anyone who is watching who has not yet subscribed and are curious, Boxycharm is a beauty box subscription that is $25 a month, or at least that's the box I subscribe to. They do have some other options. They have a $35 a month subscription where I think you get 7 to 8 products. This $25 box, you get 5 full-size products, and then if you choose to, quarterly, you can upgrade for an additional $25, so for $50 total that month only, and receive 12 products. So, if you're interested, check out Boxycharm. Let's see what we got for the month of July in the basic box. So, this is what the box looks like. Hopefully there's a card with pricing and descriptions. Yes! I love getting a card. It makes my job so much easier. Alright, this says sunshine is the theme. Makes sense. We're in July. And it looks like there are some lemons and limes. Set that aside. Alright, you ready? Let's dig in. I see something quite large. What is this? Ooh, Grace and Stella. I got something from this brand in my FabFitFun unboxing. If you're interested, check that video out. Alright, what is this? It says, it's like an energy drink for your eyes. Ooh, it's a box of eye masks. Alright, let's see what the card has to say. It says, Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energy Eye Mask. You get 12 pairs, and that retails for $21. Okay, a little pricey. I don't know if I'd buy that for that price, because I've gotten a container of 60 eye masks for less than $20. But I like this brand, so I'm excited to get that. Alright, next item. Ooh, is this a lipstick or eyeshadow? This is from a company called Studiomakeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Yay! And it's a color I can wear. Alright, what does the card say? Studiomakeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow provides both shimmer and shine, and it retails for $25. Ooh, I want to swatch this and even put some on my eyes. It's very, very subtle. Which I enjoy. Alright, let's give this a try, just because I think it will match my eye look today. Do one eye. Don't know if that's picking up on camera. I can see the difference. Alright, I'm excited. And I'm going to match the other eye just because I'm into symmetry, so that is lovely. I love getting products, but particularly I love products that I can actually wear and use. because it matches my skin tone or my preference for lip color shade or eyeshadow, etc. So yay, I'm excited. All right, 2 for 2 so far. Let's see what the next product is. Oh, I feel a palette of some sort. What is this? Ace Beauty. And I presume this is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, I think I'm wrong. This looks like a very dark, not meant for my skin tone, contour palette. Let's read what the card has to say. All right, I was incorrect. The card says that this is called Bronzed in Paradise palette, which is meant for bronzing. And this retails for $30. So, now that I know it's a bronzer, maybe in this spectrum, I can get away with. I did not bronze today because, to be honest, I hardly ever bronze. Comment down below if you would like to see me start bronzing more. All right, next item. What is this? Ooh, that is a very expensive, pricey brand. A little controversy on how you say their name. It's either 3-1 Skin, or I don't think it's 111 Skin. It's like 111 Skin. Comment down below if you know how to say this. I knew it and now I forgot. 3-1 Skin? 1-1 Skin? 111 Skin? 3-1 Skin? Expensive skin product. We'll leave it at that. This is the 111 Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster, which is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. And it retails for $135. Speechless. Shut up. Okay. I don't know. Comment down below if you feel the same way I do. Like, I don't even know if this product's good or not, but just I'm in awe of something that costs that much money. And I feel lucky and blessed to have it. Holy crap. The value of this box is insane. And this is just a regular box, right? Yeah, July. $25 box. One product alone has $135 value. All right. On to the next product. Is there a next product? Yes, there is. Okay, I'm not even mad at this. I normally am. This, I'm assuming, is some sort of black eyeliner, which is typical. Yes. All right. There's the black eyeliner. Let's give it a second, and we'll see if it smudges. I'm in awe with the 111 skincare product for $135. This isn't even bothering me, which normally I would go on a rant about black eyeliner. All right, I think it's had enough time. Let's pray it doesn't smudge. Yes, it's smudging. I've had worse ones smudge, but that's a smudger. Okay, oh, I forgot to mention. This is a black liquid eyeliner pen, and it retails for $21. It's by a brand I've never heard of called Doucce or Doucce. I'm not even mad at this because we got a $135 face serum, cream, lotion, something booster. Okay, let's recap what we got this month. We got some eye mask by Grace and Stella. We got a super duper expensive 111 Skin defense booster. We got a Ace Beauty bronzing palette. We got a liquid eyeshadow in a lovely soft champagne shade that yours truly can wear. And this is by a brand I've never heard of as well called Studiomakeup. And then we got a black waterproof eyeliner pen from another company I've never heard of called Doucce or Doucce. So that's a pretty good box. What are your thoughts? Oh, I forgot to mention, I have iteration 66. Boxycharm, you must be expanding your membership. That's a pretty high iteration. All right, comment down below and let me know if you subscribe to Boxycharm, and if so, what iteration did you get? And also list out what you got. I am always super curious what other people get based off of their the surveys they take, and how different is one iteration from the next. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to keep watching to get details on my first ever giveaway. All right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Keep watching. So if you're interested in the giveaway, there are some very simple criteria. First of all, you must be subscribed. Second of all, you need to comment down below. And lastly, you need to give a thumbs up to the video. There is a bonus for each and every one of you who refers a friend or gets someone to subscribe to my channel. You will get not one but 2 extra entries. I'm looking to get to 100 and beyond subscribers. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so you too can participate in this giveaway. All right, thanks everyone.